Look at this.
Open it.
Okay, where we open it from? Oh, maybe a side? Oh, you are so good. It is going to open the side. Oh! Looks like we have a lot of things, Uncle Saeed. Let me hold it. Time to see what we got. Oh, we don't have to build it. This is great, but we might have a little bit of parts, or we don't have to. Nadia, be careful. Well, it's very special.
You're gonna go get your scissors.
The scissors, I'll go. Wait, my scissors or your scissors in the kitchen?
The one in the kitchen.
Alright. I got it.
Hurry up.
Okay.
Are you crying, Nadia?
Here. Looks like we got them out. Oh, we do have to build it. Are you kidding me? Wait. This also doesn't have two wheels. Oh, that means this is an electric bike. What? It's not cool. What is it could be? That's cool. Well. What we have to do. Uncle Saeed, what, have any ideas with the instructions, and we can see what we have to do. This is what it looks like on the instructions. Huh? You don't see any? Don't have that. Adil, you're going to hurt yourself. Look how good this looks. It looks sick.
Looks sick?
Yeah, it looks so cool. Wait.
You like
this
it?
This is an electric bike.
No?
Huh. That looks like, and I have to do it like this. Then I see. It's very difficult to control.
Yeah, you get used to it.
I'm not tall enough.
You get used to it because it's your first time.
Yeah.